Good day, Ender 3 friends. You can see the Ender 3 is gone at the moment, and I am working on my A8. But even cooler than that, I got my first shipment, an item from GearBest that we're going to review. So this is my first ever unboxing. Alright, so as much as I 3D print, I also like to work out. And when I was chatting with GearBest, they have a set of fitness bands, heart rate monitors, and I mentioned that I would be interested in working with them on trying one out and seeing how it works with Android phones and Apple phones, and giving you guys all the lowdown. This little pull strap makes it easy to open. Cute little shiny device. It's got a little piece that you can pull underneath so that you can lift it up. That's just a sticker that I'm going to peel right off. It's got a nice little arrow showing you which way to pull. Of course, I was pulling it the wrong way. It is showing that it has juice. So let's see if we can find a manual and see how to make it work. Alright, so this is where it slides in. My inability to find the manual, of course I got to play with it for a second first. And here we are with instructions I cannot read. Let's check this side. We've got 2 sets of instructions that I cannot read. So, at this point, I'm going to go see what we can find on the internet so we can get this little critter doing what it's supposed to. Alright, those numbers correspond with the Mi Band 3 Smart bracelet. I have got no idea how I've got it on the wrong money system, but we'll worry about that at a different time, and right now we'll just get this thing fired up and see what we can make it do. Alright, so there's lots of pictures of it. There's a tiny little video that you can watch if you want. If we scroll through, there are a lot of accessories. Another little video. Notice the app cannot be updated at the moment. There will be a new app available soon. We'll see about that. It does say waterproof, 5 atmospheres, which is cool. Works with Android and iOS. Android 4.4 and up. Standby time 20 days, charging time takes about 2 hours. I plugged it in and I'm letting it charge at the moment. And it's got a band and the Chinese user manual. And let's see what it takes to connect it to a phone. Alright, so let's try and just attach this. I'm going to use the Mi Fit app. So I'm just going to go to Play Store and type MIFIT. And there it is, that easy. I will install it. Let it do its little bit of magic. I charged this for about 20 minutes. I'll charge it again once I'm done getting this first bit of testing completed. Open my app, and I'm going to sign up. I am in the United States. Next. Agree. I'm going to just use Google. Boom. It found me. Pick all my details. And next. I need 12,000 steps a day. And now I need to pair a device. Pairing a band. That's okie doke. I want all that stuff collected. I don't mind it keeping location. That's fine. Allow. Keeping it close just like they... Ooh, and there it goes. It just shook. Hey, there it is pairing. Oh, friends, there's an indent down here. That's where you had to do the tap. Felt like you were supposed to tap up at the top. It is updating firmware. Notice it is switched to showing me percentages that are in numerals we can understand. From what I've seen so far on the web, we're going to be stuck with the Chinese symbols. Most people say that is not a problem because everything else shows up fine. I'm going to just pause this video and show you that when it's done. Alright, so when that completed, it just had a quick little screen that showed me how to swipe up, swipe left, swipe right to see everything. Right now it's showing me 6%, and that is my battery. So I'm going to put it back on the charger, and I will show you guys more in a bit when it's all charged up. Thanks for watching. Alrighty friends, well, I got that price thing fixed so you can see that right now there is a flash sale where we can obtain it for $26.99. I will put that link in the description, and I'm going to get this charged up, and if you want to check back tomorrow, I'll give you an update of how the app works and what it was like on my trip to Mount Pittsco where I go stair climbing. Thanks for watching. If this helped you at all, please give this movie a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, click that notification bell. Have a great day, friends.